Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a cash condensing. Basically, I'll be taking some money to the bank and some money I'll be taking out smaller notes and putting in larger ones because envelopes can get a bit stuffed. Because I stuff like 20s and 10s, sometimes the envelopes can get thick. So it's just condensing them to make them a little bit smaller, and some of them just taking the money back to the bank because yeah, we don't want to be sitting at home with tons of money. So I'm going to start with my sinking fund binder because this is the binder that I've been stuffing. Okay, this is the binder that I've been stuffing the most this month. It's like the only binder that I've been stuffing. It's my sinking funds. It houses my sinking funds. So I'm going to start with the car. So let's see how much we've got in here. So we've got 200 pula. I think most of these here I'm just going to take back to the bank because yeah, I'm not going to use the money anytime soon. So I've got some placeholders here. So these will represent the money that I've got in the bank. So when I started cash stuffing, I just started doing tons of these and I just went crazy. So today I thought, let me just take out all of them, because what I've been doing all along, I've been like if I use this kind, I'll be using just this kind, and if I'm using these, I'll use this. So today I thought, let me just do a mismatch and just mix everything together. So that's what you'll see today. So where did I put the 200? Yeah, so I'm putting this to represent this money here that I'm taking to the bank. So that is good. And then my emergency fund, I hit my first 1,000. So I'm going to be taking all of the money to the bank. So I'm going to take this out and bring in a clean one. So I've laminated this one because I'm going to do this over and over. So otherwise I'm going to be printing. So this at least I can reuse. So I've got a 500 and 50 here that I'm going to take out. And then I'm going to take this 2, 3, 4, 420, 440, 450 back to the bank. And I'm going to take all of it and then just put a 1,000 placeholder. So exciting. So exciting. And I've updated my trackers so that I don't make a mistake. And I'm putting this in there. Yeah, feels good. And then my son's medical. Let's see if I could do anything in here. So I have in here, I've got 150, 250, 270, 290, 310, 310, 220, 330. Oh my gosh, yes, I've got 330 in here. But okay, let's see what I can do. 330. So I'm going to leave 30 pula here and grab a 300. Put this here and grab a 300. So that's 330 still in here. Taking the money to the bank, I'm all good. And then in our health envelope, we've got 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120. So I'm going to leave a 20 and put this down and grab a 100 pula. And I've still got 120 in there. So I like to take my sinking funds money to the bank mostly because I've got all these challenges at home, and Yeah, and they've got a lot of money, so it's just, it helps because then I've got less money at home. So in my Mahalap fund I've got 200, so I've got to put a 200. I think I'm out of 200. Let me just grab 200 real quick. Okay, so I've got the 200 bulas here. So let's see, I was going to put in a 200 bula placeholder in here. So that is that. Some of these are bigger, so yeah, that is the 200. And then in my goals, can we do anything in here? 250, 320. So I guess I can put this down and grab 100 bula, and then we've still got 300, wait, and 80, 250, 350, 370, 380. Yeah, I've still got 380. I need to make some 300 placeholders. Yeah, I need to make those. Okay, and then my savings, I don't think I can do anything in here. Oh yes, I've got 120, so I can put this down and grab 100, and I've still got 120. And I just started my debt envelope and I put in 100, so that's going out, and I'll have this 100 in here. So going into my low priorities, let's see, our rings, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240. Okay, so I guess I can leave a 40 puller and put all of this down and grab a 200, and I'll still have 240. Oops. This is bigger. Yeah. Okay, so our rainy day. So in our rainy day fund, we have, or we should have, 160, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 140, 150, 160. So I can do this and this, and then grab 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. I can grab 100. Oh, that's 150, 160. Feels so good when I take money to the bank, because it shows that I have been trying, and this is only from stuffing this for 1 month, only 1 month. So happy. So 150, so I can put this down and grab this 150 and put it in here. Okay, and I don't think I can do anything in here. Right, so this was basically the money that I'm taking back to the bank, but I think with my savings challenges, and then this is my savings challenge binder, I think with my savings challenges I'm going to condense. I don't know if I'll take any money in here to the bank, but we'll see. That's 200 in the bank already. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So I think I'll just do this 140. I leave that like that, so that's 340. Okay. And then this one, I think this one, I can't do anything in here. 4, 5, 550, 575. Yeah, I can't do anything in here. Or maybe I can take this to the bank and just, okay, maybe I can take this to the bank and just leave a 500. Okay, so let me just do this. Take this out and then put this 100 in here and then just do this. This way it's a little bit condensed. We've got 580 still. So that is great. And then this one I'm going to leave, this one I'm going to leave. And then in here, get that out of the way, that out of the way. And then in my 26 picks, I've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So I'm going to leave a 20 and grab a 100. So I've still got 120 in here. And then my card challenge has 120, 40, 50, 60, 160. So I'll leave this and grab a 50 puller. Oh my gosh, these 50s are just, they are terrible 50s. So I've still got 160 in here. I think mostly the reason I want to leave challenges as cash is because like when I finish the challenge and I want to reallocate it to another challenge. Yeah, that's mainly why I'm doing it this way. And then this one, it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 110. So I'm going to leave this 10 and grab 100. And that's 110. And then in my weather challenge, I've got 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm going to leave a 20 and a 10. So then I'll just grab a 50. These 50s are so old. Okay, so I've still got 180. And then my mood tracker. Yeah, I just 100, then 20, 40, 50, 60. That's a better 10. And then I'll grab a 50. So that's still 160. My first condensing. I've never done a condensing on camera. I always do it off camera. So I don't know. I feel kind of good about it because I really enjoy these kind of videos. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. So now grab a 100. So that's 140 in the gamer. And then for the love of the game, can I do anything in here? No, I can't. I don't think I can do anything in here either. Yeah, it's just got an 80 puller. So I think that is everything that I wanted to do. I don't think it's going to be much, but for me it's a lot, guys. Look at all this. It's a lot for me. Okay, so let us count to see how much we've got. 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700. And then that's just 100. So let us see. 20, 40, 60, 81. 20, 40, 60, 82. 20, 40, 60, 83. 20, 40, 60, 84. 20, 40, 60. So that's 460. And then the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 91. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 92. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 93. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 410 pula. So 1,870 pula that I am taking back to the bank. Wow, this for me is great. Okay, it's not all of it in a month, but it's still something. I'm still so very pleased with myself. I am pleased with myself because I saved this money, guys. I saved this money. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels so good to do this, to put money in the bank. My binders are condensed and I'm putting some money in the bank. So please comment if you like this kind of content. Give this video a thumbs up. Press the subscribe button and let me know what you think. And it's a really good feeling to know that you're doing something and it's actually working. And please tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. I will catch you in the next one. Bye.